tung 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 tung.
Assalamualaikum dan hai semua. Apa khabar? Today's lesson is a special request from one of Ilearn Malay's supporters. Thank you so much for the kind comment, Mr. Shinji Kagawa. And comments like this really motivate me so much to work more on producing quality lessons. Don't forget to show your support for the channel by doing the following. Terima kasih banyak. The word dulu is a version that is used commonly in spoken Malay. The proper version from the dictionary is dahulu. Dahulu. Moving forward, we will tackle only the examples from spoken Malay. The most common usage of the word dulu is when it is preceded by a verb. Verb in Malay is kata kerja. And when the word dulu comes after the verb, it means first in English. Let's study these lines. The first phrase, suruhlah dia naik dulu. Suruhlah dia naik dulu. Naik dulu. Naik dulu. Naik means to go up. Dulu means first. Naik dulu, go up first. Suruhlah dia. Suruhlah dia. Suruh means to ask or to order or to request. Lah or la is a common suffix and its function varies depending on context. Here in this example, it is used to soften the tone of the verb suruh, which is a command, so it may sound more polite. Please check out the lesson of the suffix lah or la from the link above. Dia means he or she, but the actor is a guy, so here the word dia means him. Suruhlah dia naik dulu. Ask him to go up first. Here is an example of a Malay traditional house. The actor is at the bottom of the staircase of the house, and the mother of the younger actress is asking the male actor to go up the staircase to enter the elevated interior of the house. Naik dulu. Naik dulu. Go up first. If we use this phrase naik dulu before a car, naik dulu, it means go inside the car first.
Suruh dia naik dulu. Suruh dia naik dulu.
The second phrase, abang, jemputlah masuk dulu. Abang, jemputlah masuk dulu. We are focusing on masuk dulu. Masuk means to enter or to go in. Masuk dulu. Go in first. Enter first. Abang means older brother. Here in the drama, they are not blood related. But in Malay culture, any male who is older than you, which is not too old than you, is called abang or shortened to bang. This is to show respect. Jemput. Jemput. It means be my guest or be our guest, to do an action. The word jemput is used to show respect to a guest. And in this context, the phrase jemputlah masuk dulu means be my guest, go in first. Other examples with the word jemput are jemput makan dulu. Be my guest, eat first. Jemput minum dulu. Be my guest, drink first. Jemput duduk dulu. Be my guest, sit first.
Bang, jemputlah masuk dulu, bang. Jemputlah masuk dulu.
Let's look at the next phrase. Tak nak minum-minum dulu ke? Tak nak minum-minum dulu ke? Minum dulu. Minum dulu. Minum means to drink. So minum dulu means to drink first. Why the verb minum is repeated? Here it is used as an invitation to show respect to the guest by offering drinks when a guest comes over the house. You will notice that we repeat verbs a lot in spoken Malay. Tak nak means do not want. Tak nak minum-minum dulu ke? Don't you want to have a drink first? Sometimes the word tak nak is pronounced as tak nak when we speak rapidly. The K of the word tak is omitted. Tak nak, tak nak.
Tak nak minum-minum dulu ke?
Tak payahlah.
Tak nak minum-minum dulu ke?
Tak payahlah.
The next phrase, Ikram tak singgah dulu ke? Ikram tak singgah dulu ke? Singgah dulu. Singgah dulu. Singgah means to stop by. Singgah dulu, to stop by first. Ikram tak singgah dulu ke? Ikram is a male's name. Ikram, don't you want to stop by first? The particle ke in the sentence is commonly used at the end of a sentence in spoken Malay, especially if it is an interrogative sentence.
Ikram. Tak singgah dulu ke? Ikram. Tak singgah dulu ke?
Let's move on to our final phrase. Saya minta diri dulu ya. Saya minta diri dulu ya. Minta diri dulu. Minta diri dulu. The proper Malay word for minta is minta. Minta. But in spoken Malay, we say it as minta. Minta. Minta or minta means to ask for or to request for something, while minta diri or minta diri means to ask to be excused from somewhere or from doing something. Saya minta diri dulu ya. Saya minta diri dulu ya means please excuse me as I have to go first, okay?
Saya minta diri dulu Pakcik. Saya minta diri dulu Pakcik.
More examples with the word dulu. Pergi dulu. Pergi dulu. Go first. Makan dulu. Makan dulu. Eat first. Bayar dulu. Bayar dulu. Pay first. Mandi dulu. Mandi dulu. Shower first. Buat dulu. Buat dulu. Do it first. Well then, I hope you have learned something beneficial today. For those who want to get better in speaking Malay, whether with your loved ones, with your Malay friends, in your daily life, during traveling in Malaysia, do not hesitate to head over to the link here to practice speaking Malay with me at link3/ilearnmalay. Let's get you fluent. Until next time, terima kasih dan sampai jumpa lagi.